Hey everyone, and welcome to my Magic Kingdom tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips and tricks to make your day at the Magic Kingdom most magical. Tip number 1, have a fast pass plan before you even enter the park. If you're at a Disney-owned property, you can make your fast passes 60 days prior to check-in, and if you're staying at an off-property hotel, then you can make your fast passes 30 days prior to when you're going to the theme park. Just as a reminder, if you book your trip through me, I'm happy to work with you to come up with your customized fast pass plan. I send you a list of them to let you know what the most popular rides are to help you make the best decision for your family. Number 2 is the busiest land all day will be Fantasyland. So if you have secured those fast passes for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train or Peter Pan, then head over to Adventureland or Liberty Square, ride Haunted Mansion or Pirates or Jungle Cruise. That's a great time to do those first thing in the morning when the wait times will be a little less. My third tip is, if this is your first time to Disney, plan more than one day at the Magic Kingdom. There's so much to do and see. It will be so hard to get it done in just one day. My fourth tip is, when you first arrive, wait for your castle picture. I know it's so hard to do, but that's usually when the wait times at the photographers are the longest. Do them a little later around lunchtime, or my personal preference for the castle picture would be at the end of the day when the castle is all lit up. Tip number 5 is when to visit the Magic Kingdom. Now, this really varies a lot depending on the time of the year and when you are going on your vacation. But if the park has extra magic hours in the morning or in the evening, the park is going to be a little busier. Those extra magic hours draw a lot more people. So just so you know, as you're planning, extra magic hours equal more people. I like to go when there's a Halloween party or a Christmas party. Because the park closes so early, a lot of people don't like to go to the Magic Kingdom and waste one park day when the park closes at 6 p.m. But if you have little ones, this is actually a great time to go because your little one may not last until fireworks. And if you're planning 2 days at the theme park, then you'll have one day where the theme park is probably going to be quieter than the others, so you can get more done. And if you have a park hopper pass, this is a great opportunity to start your day in the Magic Kingdom, and then around 4 p.m. head over to Epcot or another theme park, enjoy dinner or the nighttime shows there. Now, if you've booked your trip through me, I can send you more tips and tricks. Remember, all my vacation planning is 100% free. Making magic one vacation at a time. Thanks so much. See you next time.